Alright, we back at it. Motherfucking overslept last night. Missed my alarm for work. Had to go up to the job, let them know. It's working two jobs, shit heavy. It's heavy on me, man. Mentally, physically, emotionally, it's killing me. But it's alright. It's alright. It's right here. Will make me get through it. It's right here. That's where I get my power from. It's right here. It's my strength. It's right here. It's my food. It's right here. It's my home. I do this, son. Whether I'm tired, sleepy, broken, injured, I always got enough energy to get to the woods. I always got room in my belly for a fish, especially if I caught that bish. Yeah, bish. Yeah, bish.